X1 was a Force-sensitive clone trooper who served the Galactic Republic alongside with his brother, X2. He was created by the Kaminoans from the DNA of a Jedi Knight, Phelan Gray, and grew up in secret on the planet Kamino. Following the outbreak of the Clone Wars in 22 BBY, X1 and his brother joined the Grand Army of the Republic and fought in many battles of the war, helping to train young clone troopers under the eye of Jedi Master Feroda. The two brothers helped the Republic secure many victories. Following their exploits on Tatooine, Supreme Chancellor Palpatine invited X1 and X2 to the galactic capital of Coruscant for a special awards ceremony. Palpatine gave them medals for their bravery, though he initially confused X1 with X2. The ceremony was abruptly stopped after the Confederacy attacked the planet. After ordering a group of clone troopers to get the Chancellor to safety, X1 and X2 joined the battle, taking separate routes through Coruscant streets. X2 managed to track down the separatist General Grievous and even injured him in combat, though he was unable to stop Grievous from kidnapping the Chancellor and transferring him to his flagship, the Invisible Hand. X1 and X2 assisted Anakin and Obi-Wan in the rescue of the Chancellor. During a battle on the planet Cato Nemoidia, Palpatine told the clone troopers that Feroda and all other Jedi had betrayed the Republic, and the Chancellor ordered the clones to execute Order 66 and kill the Jedi Master. Though X2 was reluctant, X1 forced his brother to comply, and the two of them, along with the other clone troopers, attacked the Jedi Master, Feroda, and killed him. As the new Galactic Empire rose in power, X1 and X2 served in its military ranks as stormtroopers. Following a mission to Dantooine to kill a fugitive Jedi, X1 and his brother took separate paths. Not willing to kill innocent people who were harboring their target, X2 defected from the Empire, siding with the Jedi. Following his brother's defection, X1 personally led an attack on Dantooine, where he would find and kill his genetic father Phelan Gray and wounded X2. X1 continued to serve the Imperial military for many years, playing a minor role in the construction of the first Death Star battle station, and also gaining some mastery of the dark side of the Force. At the Battle of Hoth in 380, X1 commanded the Star Destroyer Avarice. Inside the ship, he met his brother who had joined the Rebel Alliance, dueled him, and fled. After the Battle of Endor and the death of Emperor Palpatine in 480, X1 became one of the many Imperial warlords fighting for control of the Shattered Empire. He also proclaimed himself a Sith Lord and operated from Bast Castle on Jun, the fortress of the late Darth Vader. During this time, he also gathered around him a sizable military force, including a Star Dreadnought. Corrupted by power, X1 began to have dreams of galactic domination, hoping to achieve this by creating a personal clone army. He began performing cloning experiments on the planet Dathomir and the fiery world of Mustafar, to where X2, now a Jedi Knight in Luke Skywalker's Jedi Order, tracked him. Skywalker went ahead to stop him, but X1 captured the Jedi, intending to use his genes for his clone army of dark Jedi, hoping to rescue Skywalker and defeat X1, X2, and the New Republic attacked the planet. X1 dueled his brother multiple times, first aboard one of his Star Destroyers, and then on the surface of the planet. Finally, X1 confronted his brother one last time on a mining platform, and X2 defeated him but refused to strike a final blow. X1 then tried to kill his brother by his lightsaber with the Force, but X2 evaded the attack, and X1 was stabbed by his weapon and fell into the planet's boiling lava to his death.